Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi! Welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the split digraph U. So, which letters make U? There are two, A and E. Together they make the split digraph U.
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
He is trying to mute the TV. So, which word in that clip had the U sound? It was mute. Let's practice. U and T. U T. Mute. Here we have a cute puppy. Now, you may have heard cute. So, K, U, and T, K, U, T, cute. Now over to a clown who is trying to amuse the audience. What could we hear this time? It was amuse. So, A, U, and S. A, U, S. Amuse. And last but not least, he now needs to turn the volume back up. Now, what was our final word? It was volume. O, L, U, and O, L, U, volume. I hope you enjoyed practicing the split digraph U. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time.